The air is getting crisp, the leaves are turning, and the world is preparing to embrace a new season. For fall 2025, we're not just seeing a change in weather, we're witnessing a beautiful shift in color. This year's fashion is all about grounded elegance and quiet sophistication. The two key players dominating the runways and street style are Mocha Mousse and the family of Earthy Tones. Mocha Mousse is that rich, creamy brown, like a luxurious latte. It's warm, inviting, and effortlessly chic. And then we have Earthy Tones, a collection of dusty, muted greens and grays that are reminiscent of natural landscapes. Together, they form the core of a modern, timeless fall wardrobe. Let's dive into how these two stunning color trends can redefine your style this season. First up, let's talk about Mocha Mousse. This isn't just a color, it's a feeling. It's softer than black, more subtle than camel, and incredibly versatile. Mocha Mousse adds a layer of quiet luxury to any piece. Think about how you can wear it. A well-tailored wool coat in Mocha Mousse is the ultimate statement piece for sophisticated style. A chunky knit sweater in this shade feels like a warm hug on a chilly day. You can even choose a silk blouse or a pair of leather trousers for a polished, refined look. Now, for styling, Mocha Mousse pairs beautifully with tonal colors. Try it with a warm beige for a soft monochromatic palette that looks incredibly expensive. For a clean, high-contrast look, pair it with crisp, off-white trousers. If you want to add a touch of romance, combine Mocha Mousse with a dusty rose pink. It's an unexpected and beautiful combination. Accessories are a fantastic way to incorporate this trend. A structured handbag, a pair of suede ankle boots, or even a simple belt in this creamy brown shade can tie your entire outfit together. This is a color that works for every occasion, from a casual coffee run to a formal evening out. Next, we have the calming and grounded trend of earthy tones. This trend embraces the subtle beauty of nature, with shades of muted green, dusty olive, and soft gray. These colors provide a perfect foundation for a minimalist yet impactful wardrobe. They are incredibly flattering on all skin tones and bring a sense of tranquility and sophistication to your style. Consider a long flow-in dress in a dusty olive shade for a relaxed yet beautiful look. A structured blazer in a deep charcoal gray is perfect for adding a professional touch to your outfit. For a softer, more casual vibe, a simple t-shirt or cardigan in a muted sage green is a great choice. And what about pairing it with other colors? Earthy tones look incredible with classic denim for a timeless, casual feel. They also create a stunning visual with pops of bright white or cream. For a truly bold statement, pair these greens and grays with a deep burgundy or even a hint of mustard yellow. It's a combination that feels both modern and daring. Just like with Mocha Mousse, accessories are key. A canvas tot, a pair of sneakers, or a silk scarf in these earthy shades can instantly add that modern, natural touch to your look. The magic happens when you combine these two trends. Mocha Mousse provides the rich, comforting base, while earthy tones add a subtle layer of depth and interest. This combination is the epitome of sophisticated calm. Imagine a Mocha Mousse coat layered over an earthy toned dress, or a simple earthy toned knit layered under a sleek brown blazer. Even a simple handbag in an earthy tone paired with a Mocha Mousse dress can transform the entire outfit. This duo feels both timeless and contemporary, offering endless possibilities for everyday wear or special occasions. Mocha Mousse and Earthy Tones, two shades that define this fall. Elegant, versatile, and age-inclusive, they prove that style has no expiration date. As you embrace this new season, let these colors inspire you to dress with confidence, creativity, and timeless sophistication. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.